So we spent 2 weeks in this pattern. We broke down from it. We should retest it because that's what price does. It retests previous support, okay? Just like here, we had previous resistance. We broke out of this 86-day resistance, and we had this move, and we pretty much just retested it, right? That's what we did. We retested this move. So just like you break resistance, you retest it as support. You break support, retest it as resistance. That's trading 101, support and resistance 101. So my target for the next move is going to be here, okay? Like I said, 6 to 7% to the upside. Confluent with that, and let's zoom into the 15-minute time frame. Confluent with that is this pattern that you see here. Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is February 23rd, 2022, and Bitcoin is playing out our reversal pattern almost to a T, right? For those of you subscribed to the channel, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm on the hourly time frame, and we are experiencing some upside, some price action to our target of 42K. That's our immediate short-term target. Then back down, I presume back to the 39K level, and then up to between 44 and 51K. All right. If all of the medium short-term price action for Bitcoin interests you, then watch until the very end. I'm going to show you exactly what I think Bitcoin can do in the coming days and perhaps couple of weeks. All right. Now, like I said, on the hourly time frame, we can see our larger reversal pattern remains. Okay. As always, we started off with our A wave, our breaker, our break of trend, initial break of trend, followed by this B wave, which is playing out, okay? All corrective waves, according to Elliott wave theory, come in 3 sequences, okay? So we printed our first of three sequences, right? The A wave of this B portion, okay? So we have the A wave. Now it looks like we're getting into the B wave. Remember, these are corrective waves and everything is fractal. So even in wave 1 of 3, you can see three sequences. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Expect the same in this middle sequence right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is what I can expect, or this is what I'm expecting, and this is what I'm trading for in the coming days. Do expect, very likely, highly probable, that this move in the immediate short term, let's go on the 15-minute time frame, do expect that this move in the immediate short term come to our resistance, right? To our resistance of about 41.5, okay? So I do expect Bitcoin to continue to matriculate upwards to this resistance, right? So I expect the 6 to 7% pump. And remember, what is this resistance? We had an M top right here, as you can see, designated by these 2 mounds, and we broke down from it, almost hitting our target exactly, right? Let's show that really quickly for those of you who are not yet subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, do subscribe. We'd love to have you. Like the video if you're getting value from this. Share it with others who you think may also benefit from sound technical analysis. And yeah, let's keep going. So, as I said, we had this M top, and the breakdown is simply the top of the largest mound from the site of from the neckline, okay? And we kind of exceeded our target here, and that sometimes happens, but we did find support close to our 86-day resistance, or our 86-day support, diagonal supporting line, sloping support line, all right? And so from here, we're reversing course. And I do expect for us to retest this, because when price breaks down from crucial support or from strong support, and this was strong support because we were in this price action, we were in this pattern for about 2 weeks, okay? So we spent 2 weeks in this pattern. We broke down from it. We should retest it because that's what price does. It retests previous support, okay? Just like here, we had previous resistance. We broke out of this 86-day resistance, and we had this move, and we pretty much just retested it, right? That's what we did. We retested this move. So just like you break resistance, you retest it as support. You break support, retest it as resistance. That's trading 101, support and resistance 101. So my target for the next move is going to be here, okay? Like I said, 6 to 7% to the upside. Confluent with that, and let's zoom into the 15-minute time frame. Confluent with that is this pattern that you see here. Okay, let's zoom in. Do you see this pattern? It's kind of a messy inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay, let's just designate it properly. Quickly, let's go into head and shoulders. Here is our neckline about here. Okay, I see a left shoulder here. I see this is the head and a right shoulder here. Okay, something like this. Okay, so this is my head and shoulders. And again, if you want to take the target of this move, this is pretty basic pattern analysis. You take the distance from the head, from the tip of the head to the neckline, and superimpose from the side of breakout, which would be around about here, and look at that confluence. It's spot on, right, with our previous resistance or a previous support that now is resistance. So I think it's highly probable that Bitcoin target 41.5 to 42K. That's the next move in the immediate short term. Now, remember what this is, okay? And let's zoom back out on the 30-minute time frame. As I said before, this is a corrective wave, and corrective waves all come in 3. So if, and let's get rid of this just to clean it up. If this is indeed a corrective wave and we expect 3 waves, then let's draw it out. I anticipate we go something like this. A, B, the retracement has to be at least to the 0.5 of the previous move. So between the 0.5 and the 618, in which case it would be a zigzag if you do get 5 waves here, okay? If it's a clear 3-wave move, if we get a 5-wave move here, then expect 0.5 to 618 retracement. If we get a 3-wave move here, then expect a 786 retracement at the very least, okay? And then I anticipate a larger move up here. As I said before in previous videos, we can anticipate Bitcoin to come to at least the 44K region, or at the maximum to the 51.5 region. Those essentially represent different Fibonacci targets, the 786 for the 44K region and the 1618 for the 51.5 region, okay? And if you want some background on that, just look up the targets for a flat correction, the the B wave retracement, the maximum retracement and the minimum retracement of a flat correction in Elliott wave theory. Minimum is 786, maximum is 1618. So that's where I'm getting those targets. That's where I'm getting those prices. Let's change the color on this just not to confuse anybody. And so that's pretty much what I'm seeing for the next move in the immediate short term. This is what I'm trading. I will personally be taking profits on my longs here at the 42K region, and I may or may not go short. I may just wait until this B wave forms right here. I may short it. I may just wait, re-enter along to the upside. Okay, that's immediate short term, what I'm trading. After that, this is the big move. I anticipate a pivot and the completion of the larger B wave. If we zoom out, we can see that that's a very, very, very large move to the downside, most likely creating a new lower low, okay? Breaching the 33K mark and even testing, below our support of 30 to 31K that we've formed in January and in the summer months of 2021. That's what I'm seeing, immediate short term, medium short term in Bitcoin, okay? And again, our reversal pattern is playing out. If you appreciate this sound technical analysis, like the video, share with others who you also may think would enjoy good technical analysis, good Elliott wave theory, sound stuff. And subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.